It's just the weirdest feeling, that.
Shaky, shaky. Coming out of the ass of the ship.
The ass of the ship, or is it the front of the ship? I don't even know.
I would assume it's the ass. Did they take some time to like spin around and stuff?
Beautiful in this hat.
Yeah, España is beautiful. So just an FYI, this is Spain, by the way, and everything's pretty frozen. Ooh. Yep, Spain, and everything is kind of frozen. And there's Mr. Moon. So we are in the car and we are in Spain, and that is how the car is full. And we are just, and I'm like mixing this up so that my shoulder's like here. And yes, we are driving to Portugal. Woohoo! But the car is full. You couldn't get anything else in there.
You couldn't even get a dead body in.
Oh, you nearly couldn't get your clothes in.
Yes, my clothes are scattered to the four corners of the car. Hello.
Emmy. Okay, anyway, he got distracted. Alright.
This is to Portugal.
Say that again, I didn't catch that.
188 kilometres to Portugal.
So how much more time in this car?
Says 4 hours.
Okay, lovely.
269 miles to the door.
Cool. Okay. So this is everything that was in the car earlier. We emptied it, put it in the first part of the house, and now the car is empty. Unimaginable that all this stuff fit in that car, especially with new purchases. How did you feel about the drive? Yeah, your face says it pretty much. Okay, cool. Anyway, so we've got a few other things to do, which I'll talk about later.